Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over a mystery saber from Starfall. This thing has some pretty cool tricks up its sleeve, and it's pretty loud. So I know in the past videos I say that, and I think it's just because of the noise reduction software that I'm using. It doesn't appear very loud, but trust me, this thing is loud. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so we've got a brand new Starfall Mystery Saber. These are so cool. They're just like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Sorry, I had to. This one's really great because it's reminiscent of another saber that Nick made years and years ago, back when he was just starting out, and this yellow that he uses or has around is just, I don't know what it is about it, I love that. And then he's got some really nice and unique etching up here on the shroud, a really great unique cutout shroud shape, which follows the switch really well. There's a grill here that actually you can see the crystal through, and this saber has like a turbine kind of emitter look. But this is also a 7/8 blade holder, so it will not fit a 1-inch blade. The saber follows some more traditional methods of, it's threaded right here, so you can remove this to reveal the crystal chamber, and then get access to your soundboard. This thing is just so cool. Like, look at that. It's not even lit up yet. That's so cool. And then your Proffie board. This is where you would put your 18650. So let's do that now. So this is the negative, so the flat side of the battery goes on the spring side, and the nipple side goes to the other nipple. So put this in there. This will just power right up. This saber is in save state mode, or has save state enabled, so it will remember whatever font it was on last. But we have a really awesome KRPixel switch right here with its double action, so we have power on the bottom, auxiliary on top, and the crystal will just pulse off and on while the blade is off. To stick a blade in here, this saber comes with an Allen key. And this is your blade retention screw right here. Loosen that, dump your blade plug out, and stick your blade in. There is your stock NPXL Eco. And then this also has a 28mm bass speaker. So 2 switches, accent, LEDs, Proffie, I mean, it's got the works. And then when you stick this on here, lines up real nicely, and you can see the crystal inside, which is super rad. I love that. So really nice little reveal there, something that you can just see what's going on the inside. This comes with the Starfall sound font package.
Battery level.
Starfall. So you get access to all the awesome fonts, and each font is assigned a unique blade style. So in order to change fonts, you would just tap the auxiliary once, and it'll go to the next one. You can even go backwards by holding the saber upside down and hitting the auxiliary, so that'll just come right back to the first font. And the saber does not have deep sleep, so if you were to finish using this, you'd want to remove the battery. You can also play music by holding the power for 1 second and releasing. Play music? Yes, I think that's what I said. So each font, as you change it, will go to the next track if you have music enabled. And to stop it, you would just hold the power and release it for 1 second again. So there's tons of functionality with the saber. Blasters, you would tap the auxiliary. Lock up, hold the power, and clash the saber. twist on and twist off is enabled. So there's just unlimited possibilities. You just can go wild, go hog wild. When you're all done, like I said, just make sure that you are removing the battery, so that way your saber's just not draining. If you don't use the saber and leave the battery in after about 15 minutes, all the LEDs that are lit, so the crystal and the switch section, will go to sleep. The saber still is active, but it'll no longer animate LEDs, and it will not read or be ready for gesture control. There's a number of ways you can go about removing this. You can smack it on your hand like that just to remove it. If you really want to like get in there and be careful, you can just push down and pull the battery out, or this one I believe, yeah, you can just pull it out right here. So it's easy access. I always grab for a tool, but you don't ever need it. So when I ship the saber, I just want to note also there's going to be a little piece of electrical tape on here, and that's just for shipping reasons, but essentially that does it for this saber. And yeah, if you guys are interested in getting one of these, hit up Nick, because they're super rad and they're all different, one of ones, right? Alright, let's wrap this video up. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos featuring awesome sabers just like this one. We've got amazing designers all the time like Starfall Sabers, KRSabers, 89 Sabers, all the Sabers. Sabers Forever, right? You know, that's me. But if you want to commission me, you can reach out at john@sabersforever.com. I'd be happy to answer any inquiries that you have about lightsaber installations. And if you're looking for anything now, there's actually been a massive site restock. So I've got a whole bunch of lightsabers available right now on the website. They're all Proffie boards and they're all ready to ship. So don't wait. Just go check it out. www.sabersforever.com. So until the next video, may the Force be with you.